Kate here with WTI, and I want to show you this gorgeous steak knife set from HEZHEN. Check out this stunning design. From the ebony handles all the way to the Damascus blade, it is beautiful. It has that gorgeous hammered finish. These are incredibly sharp. So yes, they are stunning, but they also work extremely well. The smooth blade cuts through meat like nobody's business. So we've used this from steak to even just sausages, ribs, chicken, all the meats. This cuts through it like butter. There's nothing worse than grilling a steak and struggling to cut it with a dull knife. So these knives make that job so simple. You have a beautiful clean cut, no struggle, and you can enjoy your meal. Now this is perfect for gifting. It comes in a box. It has the certificate and care instructions. You wouldn't want to put these in the dishwasher, so hand wash and dry, but you can have these for years and years and years with proper care. So if you're looking to upgrade your current knife set or maybe start fresh, this would be a beautiful addition to your knife collection. I know I'm really happy with it. I'm happy with the performance, with just how stunning they are, with the quality, all the things, and I'm sure you will be too, and that's my point of view.